you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn English subject. In the last class we learned lesson 5, prodigal son. Isn't it, children? You all are thorough in the story, the prodigal son. Today we are going to see the book exercise and the question answers. Okay, children, we'll go and see. Okay, children, see first one, number these sentences in the correct order. It's given in page number 37. Page number 37, what you see, 10 sentences are there. What you have to do, we have to arrange them in the correct order. We have to put the number against this one in the correct order. Understood, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we have to put. So, first one is given in the book itself. A rich farmer had 2 sons. So, what is the second one? He gave half of his money to his younger son. And the third one is, the younger son said goodbye to his father and brother. And number 4, in a foreign country, he spent his gold on clothes and presents. So, in the fifth one, what sentence will come, children? Spending so freely, his gold was soon gone. He spent all his gold and it was gone. And the sixth one, what will come? Unhappy, he tried to earn money to buy food because he lost all his gold and money. He was trying to get money. He was trying to earn money to buy food. So this will come sixth one. And the seventh one, what will come? One day he thought of his father because he was struggling for his food. He thought of his father. One day he thought of his father who loved him. And the eighth one, what will come? What the young man set off for home. After he was thinking of his father, what he did? He decided to go home. He decided to go home. So this one will be eighth one. And the ninth one is, the father was overjoyed to see his son. The father was overjoyed to see his son. So this is ninth one. And the 10th one is, he organized a feast to celebrate his son's return. So 10. Understood, children? 10 sentences are there. I have arranged it one. Okay. So we'll see the D1. D is question answer. We will see later. And the D1 is, a person who works on a farm is a farmer. Isn't it, children? So what are these persons known as? So a person who plays music means what we call them? What we call them, children? Musician. What will come? Musician. You have to write music and then IAN you have to add. So, musician. Understood, children? Okay. And the second one is acts in plays. What will come? We call them as actor. We call them as actor. And the third one, stitches clothes. Who stitches clothes? Tailor. 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 Okay, children? And the fourth one is, designs houses. Designs how? Who designs the houses? The name is architect. 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 Okay, children? Architect. And repairs cars. Who repairs cars? Mechanic. 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 And the sixth one is, writes for a newspaper. Writes for a newspaper, we call them as journalist. 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 Okay, children? Okay. The E1 will see, complete the crossword using the clues. See, here clues are given. Wealthy, not the same, filled with envy. So, we have to find the by finding these clues, we have to write the answer. Okay. Wealthy means what, children? Rich. Wealthy means rich. So what will come? See, the first one. This is across. Across means this is called across. Okay, children. This is called across. So wealthy means what will come? Rich. Wealthy means what, children? Rich. Wealthy means rich. And not the same. Not the same means what? Different. 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 Not the same means what? Different. And the third one, filled with envy. Filled with envy means what? Jealous. J E A L O U S, jealous. Okay children, envy means what? Jealous. And now we'll see the downwards. Downwards means, see, this one is called downwards. Okay children, so at ease. At ease means what? Comfortable. C-O-M-F is there. O-R-T-A is there. B-L-E, comfortable. What will come? Comfortable. Unclean. Unclean means what children? Dirty. Unclean means dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. And happiness. Happiness means what? Joy. Happiness means what? Joy. Understood children? It's same. Children, see the F1. Use a dictionary to find two meanings for each of these words. This one I am going to give you as homework. Children, understood? This is I have given you as homework. What you have to do? All should open your dictionary. If you are not having dictionary, you can see it in your mobile itself. You can find out. So see, ring is there, bitter, beam, and object. Okay children, see these four words are there. You have to find the two meanings. How many meanings you have to find? For ring means you have to find two. It will be different only, isn't it? Okay children, you have to find two meanings. You have to write it and you have to send it to me in WhatsApp or Google Classroom. Don't forget to send. This is your homework. Okay children. Okay, now we'll go to the G. Tick the correct pronouns. First, what are the pronouns? What are pronouns children? See, pronouns that are used to show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. Okay children. See, example, mine, yours, theirs, his, hers, and its. These are common possessive pronouns. See, what we have to remember is, see, for this pronouns, we should not use apostrophe. Apostrophe means what? This one, apostrophe. See, our means, see, ours. You should not put comma like this. You should not use this comma. Understood children? This is understood children? So you should not use this apostrophe. So what in possessive pronouns, they like this, what apostrophe will not come. Apostrophe will not come. Without this only, see what will come? Ours. Like this only it will come. Understood children? Okay, we'll see this one example. See, this book belongs to me. Me means what? What will come? My will come, isn't children? No, my will not come. This book belongs to me. It is my. No, the sentence will be wrong. It is mine. It is mine. And the second one, Rizwan made this model. The hard work was all. Him will come or his will come children? His. What will come? His. Third one, Illa and Rastam live here. This house is, hers will come or theirs will come. Hers will not come because two names are there. So what will come children? Theirs. What will come? Theirs. Number 4. The little white kitten belongs to Mary. Mary is a girl only. So it is her will not come. Hers. My brother and I bought this toy. Here also brother and I is there. So what will come? Us will. It is us will not come. What will come? Ours. Understood children? Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Replace the underlined words with words from the box. What we have to do? Replace the underlined. See here underlined words are there. You have to replace this with the words given in the box. Theirs, mine, ours, yours, his, hers. Okay children. See the first one is given in the book itself. This is the farmer's horse. The horse is his. The horse is his. Second one. This is my dog. My means what will come? We have learnt in the previous one. My means what called? The dog is mine. The dog is mine. The dog is mine. These are Farah and Sudip's bags. See here Farah and Sudip's bags. The bags are what will come children? Theirs. What will come? Theirs. What will come? Theirs. And the fourth one. This is our room. Our. Our is there. The room is ours. Easy. You can find out. Ours. Number 5th one. Is this your pen? Your is there. So is this pen yours? They are asking questions. So only question mark is there. Understood, children? That is Helen's bicycle. That is Helen's bicycle. That bicycle is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. Okay, children? Okay. Now we'll see the new words and the question answers we'll see. Okay, children? Okay. You have to write lesson 4, the prodigal son, and then new words. Write neatly in neat handwriting. Okay, children? Prodigal. P-R-O-D-I-G-A-L. Prodigal. Parable. P-A-R-A-B-L-E. Parable. Heartwarming. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. W-A-R-M-I-N-G. Heartwarming. Splendid. S-P-L-E-N-D-I-D. Splendid. Mounting. M-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Mounting. Money lender. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. L-E-N-D-E-R. Money lender. Debt. D-E-P-T. Debt. Wage. W-A-G-E. Wage. Drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Barefoot. B-A-R-E-F-O-O-T. Barefoot. Sorry, children, I made a spelling mistake in the 7th one. Debt. Debt. D-E-B-T. D-E-B-T. Not P will come. I mistakenly wrote P. Understood, children? Correct it. D-E-B-T. Debt. Understood, children? We will see the synonyms. Write the synonyms. Prodigal means what? Wasteful. Prodigal, wasteful. Splendid, very impressive or excellent. Even these two meanings, any one meaning you can write. Understood? Wage, salary. Wage, salary. Worthy, deserving. Worthy, deserving. Bitter, full of anger. Bitter, full of anger. Drought, a long period of dry weather. A long period of dry weather that causes water shortage. Okay, children? Now move on to antonyms. Antonyms. New means what? Old. More, less. Elder, younger. Hard, easy. Dead, alive. Okay, children? Now we'll see the question answer. Question answers. 6 question answers are there, but I have given only 5 question answer. Number 1. What did the younger son ask his father to give him? Why? What did the younger son ask his father to give him? Why? For the first question, this one, and for why question, we are given the second one. Understood, children? Okay. The younger son asked his father for half of everything that his father owned. That his father owned. The younger son asked his father for half of everything that his father owned. And for why answer, see. The younger son asked for his share from his father so that he could go off and have a good time. The younger son asked for his share from his father so that he could go off and have a good time. Children, you also while writing you have to read and write so that you can understand what is this word. So W-Y-O-U-N-G-R means younger. Like that you have to say and you have to write, children. Okay, children, for that one only I am reading for you. The second one. How did the father respond and why? How did the father respond and why? The father loved his sons and did not like to see either of them unhappy. Either of them means both the sons. So he counted his money and gave half of it to the younger son. After writing this, you have to draw one line. Understood, children? So the third one. What did the younger son do with all his riches? What did the youngest son do with all his riches? The youngest son packed his belongings and bags of gold and traveled to a foreign country. Full stop you have to keep. He spent some of his gold on a large and splendid house. He spent his gold on clothes for himself and on presents for his new friends. Full stop. He invited all his new friends to his house for feast. So wherever I have kept full stop, you have to keep full stop and then you have to start with the capital letter. Understood? And you have to draw one line here. And then we'll move on to the fourth one. What did the father do when his son returned? What did the father do when his son returned? When the younger son returned, the father threw his arms around his son and kissed him. When the younger son returned, the father threw his arms around his son. Understood? And kissed him. Threw means don't think that he is throwing that one. Understood, children? Okay. Hugging only, that one, threw his arms around his son. The father asked one of his servants to get the best robe. Robe means what? Cloth, dress. Okay, children? Robe means dress. For his son, along with shoes and a ring, because he was not having slippers to wear. So he told to bring a dress, shoes and a ring. He told the another servant, that they must hold a feast to celebrate his son's return. He told the other servant that they must hold a feast to celebrate his son's return. Okay, the last one, fifth one. Why did the eldest son get angry with his father after his brother came home? Why did the eldest son get angry with his father after his brother came home? The eldest son got angry with his father after his brother came home because he could not understand why his father had called for a feast for his younger brother, who had wasted his money and made a fool of himself. Once again, I'll read it. The eldest son got angry with his father after his brother came home because he could not understand why his father had called for a feast for his younger brother, who had wasted his money and made a fool of himself. Okay, children, see, in this lesson all big questions are there. These two big questions I'll be asking for the brief answer. For 5 mark and all I'll be asking. So children, don't omit, oh, this is too big question, so I won't study. Don't think like that. I will be asking this also. So what you have to do, this all I'll ask for detailed answer. Detailed question I'll be asking this one, and short answer also, because quarterly exam is going to be held. So what you have to do, you have to study the big question also. Don't omit that one. Okay, children, you have to write in neat handwriting. You have to write in neat handwriting. And what you have to do, you have to draw line. Children, if you don't have you didn't get the notebooks from school, means don't worry. We'll be sending in WhatsApp. You can keep in the WhatsApp itself. After getting the English notebook, you can start writing. Understood, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Bye.